At Pro2Pro, we are proud to have established ourselves as one of the leading UK-based companies specialising in rapid manufacture for both the prototype and low-volume manufacture sectors of industry. We've built our reputation on speed and quality, with a level of service that goes far beyond our customers' expectations. At Pro2Pro, we offer cost-effective design, prototype and production solutions, all managed in-house to meet the most stringent engineering demands. Our facilities and abilities enable us to deliver a complete portfolio of services, which we can tailor to your individual needs. By maintaining in-house control of all our services, we deliver reliable, cost-effective and quality solutions with industry accreditations to match. We bring together highly skilled individuals dedicated to advising on the best method of manufacture to meet your specifications. We utilise the very latest in CAD, equipment and technical know-how. We offer a wide variety of rapid prototype and low-volume production services, housing the very latest in 3D printing technology. This provides fast and clean solutions for precise building of any geometry with outstanding detail and surface finish. Our prototype models give you early design visualization and allow you to test for form, fit and function before any investment in production manufacture. When you need multiples for different material testing, market research evaluation, or simply very short-run production, we have a variety of tooling solutions. From vacuum casting to reaction injection molding, we have the ability to simulate parts with production intent materials. These require minimal tooling investment, giving you confidence in design sign-off prior to production launch. When it comes to large-scale parts, such as automotive bumpers, we excel. Using an assortment of materials such as silicon rubber to machined model board, we can create and mold tools of any size. From 3-axis to 5-axis, we can machine an assortment of materials. Injection mold tooling, soft reaction injection molding tooling, jigs and fixtures, or component manufacture. Our continual investment in the latest technologies has grown our manufacturing capabilities to cover a broad range of disciplines and most sectors of manufacturing. With our own in-house injection mold facility, we can offer you a full turnkey solution, providing a prototype to full production service without the need for third-party involvement. When it comes to inspection, fabrication or assembly, our in-house manufacture and assembly capability, including heat stake and ultrasonic welding, means we can provide you with a fully finished and assembled component, boxed and shipped, ready to use. In today's busy environment, understanding your needs is paramount. That's why we have a mobile roadshow, where we can bring the choice of our services to your doorstep with an array of samples showcasing what we can offer. Requesting a site visit is easy. Just call our office and specify when and where you'd like the presentation. We'll do the rest. Speed is obviously the driving factor when you're selling yourself as a rapid manufacturer, and we achieve this using the latest in technology advancements and the use of clever technical know-how. We combine all our in-house abilities to give you a reliable and quality service that is second to none.